Welcome back, everyone. I'm just putting some finishing touches on my two-frame mating Nucs modifications. I've had these for a couple of years, and they got a new paint job this year and some new features and modifications to make the queen rearing a little bit better, hopefully. I've redesigned the lids to more of a standard migratory lid with Ian Steppler style bubble wrap insulation, and added permanent robbing screens here that are adjustable up and down, and then some vinyl decals. I've had a vinyl cutting machine for quite a few years and finally decided to put it to use here. Also have screens inside these plugs pop out and they're screened for ventilation. There's one on the back of each unit and on the bottom. Also added this extra support piece here so that it links two of these boxes together so they don't tip over as easily, and it shoves them together, which is also kind of nice. Just finishing this up. I have one more stack to go, about 13 left, I believe. The rest of these are all ready to go, and hopefully in the next week we're going to get started. Okay, one last thing. I want to give you a quick reminder of our drawing that I'm going to be doing here in about a week, where you can win one of these CO2 mite testing kits. You have everything that you need minus the little canister. All you need to do to be entered in the drawing is to go over to my YouTube channel and like one or more of my videos, subscribe to my channel if you've not already subscribed, and then go share at least one of my videos somewhere, preferably on like a Facebook group, but it doesn't matter. You can do it Twitter, you can do it on your own Facebook feed if you'd like, but then in the comments of one of my videos, just tell me where you shared the video, and that will get you entered into the drawing, and we'll announce that here in about a week. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them in the comment section down below, and we'll talk to you again real soon. Thanks.